Well, it started snowing last night here in southern Maryland. That's December the 18th, 2009, about 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock p.m. last night. Just flurrying, but by 11 o'clock we had about 5 inches on the ground, and it was continuing. It snowed all night, and it's been snowing all day today. It's now about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. No sign of letting up. Based on my unofficial measurements, but as you can see, a lot of snow. I'm looking at 16 to 18 inches on the ground. It's been in bands, and right now we are having one of the probably heavier bands. A lot of heavy snow. Not big flakes, small flakes. Shoveled a lot. I shoveled the driveway a pretty good bit earlier today, got it all the way down to bare pavement, and now they're probably within the last 2 hours we're probably back up another 4 inches. So a lot of heavy snow today, but absolutely gorgeous. Had a snowplow come through earlier, pretty much useless. We also got mail delivery today. Our postal worker, young lady, made the effort, got out, got here, got stuck at the end of the street over here. I think because of the way the plowing was done, there was a big pile of snow that she got caught in. Rear-wheel drive mail vans just don't work well in this kind of stuff. But being where we are here in southern Maryland, Brookwood Estates, the neighbors all jumped out. We all shoveled, got her out so that she could continue to make her rounds all the time, telling her, go home, you've made the effort. We appreciate it. It's Saturday. Take care. Right now the forecast is for this to continue probably well into the evening, 11, 12 o'clock tonight before it phases out. Chance of a few flakes tomorrow morning, which will be Sunday, but temperature has stayed right at 28, 29, 30 degrees today, so there is no melting. This is going to be here for a while. They're talking about some more type precipitation come Thursday, Christmas Eve. So, and with temperatures staying in the low to mid 30s, not sure how much melting is going to happen. But it is absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful when you don't have to get out in it. So those people that do need to get out, we're sorry, and our thoughts go with you. Know that there's been a lot of major problems on the roads around here at Metro DC. Know that the U.S. Capitol Visitor Center closed down early today because of the weather. Sure that didn't make the tourists very happy, but you know, you got to think about safety. So anyway, enjoy and let this run a little bit longer. Let you enjoy. The birds have been going crazy. Trying to take care of them at this time, and they seem to be appreciating it. So enjoy, and always remember, when you have a chance to get out back, to get outside, just look around and see. This is really a nice snow. You can hear it. You can hear it coming through the trees. They've actually decided that southern Maryland and this whole southern Maryland peninsula is subject to a blizzard warning now, which simply means visibility is less than a quarter of a mile and there's some blowing snow. But we've got that. Quarter of a mile is far exceeding what you might be able to see at this point, because I literally can't see 3 houses down here, probably 200 feet. It's difficult to see, to make out, to be able to determine structures and where the road is and where the road isn't. So at any rate, enjoy. Hope you have a great holiday season. So once again, hope you enjoy this. Hope you're safe, and when you have a chance, get out back, get outside, explore the world. Give you a greater appreciation for all of this that's created for us. Hope you have a great holiday season, and that all your family's safe, no matter where you are. And particularly remember those guys and ladies who are overseas doing the things that their government and that we ask them to do for us. Take care, and God bless.